Hey, just a quick video on how to remove the front grille. We're putting a transmission oil cooler on this, a T4 Caravelle, and the actual grille comes out with this part. Taking all the bolts off here, but if you have a look, just under the headlights there's these little clips. You can see all that is a clip that locates on this. There's a little pin, and we've got this little tool that we've made up just so we can get a slide hammer onto it. And basically what happens is that little hook there on the end just hooks onto it, onto that side there, and as you lever this way with the slide hammer, it'll just pull it out. You push that in and pull it that way, just so that little hook hooks onto this panel. We put the slide hammer on this side and just give it a little tap. There we go. One off. Make sure it's all the way in. There we go. That's what you're actually removing. You can see those little hooks there. They just locate above that rubber there, and you're actually just pulling it off. Boom. Snapping it off those little clips. Anyway, hope that's helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Buy me a beer if it's helped. Thank you for watching.